Hi, everyone! This video tells how to fix the entry point not found Kernel32.dll error in 4 ways. Way 1. Check your hard drive for errors. Launch Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. Right-click the target partition and then select Check File System. In the pop-up window, select Check and Fix Detected Errors. After that, click the Start button. Once the process ends, go back to the main interface. Highlight the target partition and select Surface Test from the left action panel. Click Start Now to scan for bad sectors. Way 2. Repair system files. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type Command in the text box and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter at the same time. In the elevated command prompt, type sfc/scano and press Enter. After the scan finishes, type the on-screen command and press Enter. Way 3. Scan your computer for virus. Right-click the Start icon and select Settings. Select Update and Security to move on. In the next window, go to the Windows Security section. Click the Virus and Threat Protection option from the right side. Click Scan Options to get more options. Choose Full Scan and then click Scan Now to scan for viruses. Way 4. Check your system memory. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type mdsched and click OK. In the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, select Restart Now and check for problems. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.